The National Saturday Club provides a really unique space for young people to explore skills outside of school on a Saturday.
Because it's on a weekend, we do it because we want to.
Since I've been coming, I've just learned new skills and new experience.
You have some fun, you learn some new topics, you do some stuff that you usually don't really do like at school.
For the Craft and Making programme, we're really looking at how young people use their hands and making skills in order to develop their craft and think about future study and careers.
I really like the fact that you get a hands-on experience, and because it's at a college you get to see the idea of all the resources that are available.
It's going to help me because I can do wood carving or stone carving as a hobby.
Queen Elizabeth Scholarship Trust, QEST, we're really keen to build on the work that they do with their scholars and to look at a younger age group and to see how we could really allow those young people to develop their skills at this stage in their lives and understand the breadth of opportunities within the craft sector.
I think the Craft and Making Club is about hand skill. It's about mastery of materials, and that's how we always tend to define craft within QEST. It's about learning those skills, it's about evolving those skills, it's about the use of materials. Young people coming to the clubs on a Saturday, it'll be new things that they may not have experienced. Getting to know materials, understanding tools and what they're used for, and having access to people that are working as makers, as craftspeople. It's just an incredible opportunity to experience things beyond the educational system.
They're getting such a plethora of skills alongside learning just these crafts as well, preparing them to go into whatever sector they choose. And that might be the heritage sector. Lots of our kids have said, okay, I'd like to go into wood carving, or yeah, I'd like to go into art. But also there's young people who want to be a surgeon, and actually they're developing their motor skills. It's developing them for whatever career they want, not only with their physical skills with their hands, but with their social skills and communication skills and problem-solving skills as well.
You get to do different mediums, ceramics, carving, gilding, etching. You get to try new things that you maybe haven't tried before.
I think it's extremely important because you can't be what you can't see. You know, doing workshops like this and meeting other creatives that are actually doing it means that you're able to have access to those connections without immediately knowing them. It's really important for me to make my career as accessible to everyone as possible.
I think it's really essential that from a young age that we're aware of materials and materiality, and I think that Saturday Club is a really wonderful way for children to explore in a playful manner, start to understand materials and tools and methods. They can start to understand and generate their own passion. We can hopefully guide them, but then they can through doing, actually become excited about making and different aspects of craft.
I find it really fascinating working with the different things that you can make and all the ideas that you can have.
I didn't know that was a sort of industry I could go into.
We're so excited about the future of the Craft and Making Club. We're going to be growing the number of clubs over the next 3 years and looking to engage young people across the whole country in skills within the craft and making sector, introducing them to industry partners such as Howdens, and also craft and making specialists and scholars from QEST gives them a chance to actually see how the skills that they're developing on a Saturday could lead on to really rewarding careers in the future.